Today we're going to talk about suspension squeaks and general creaking from the suspension front and rear. Take this for a drive if you listen. Listen at the back end. Hopefully that comes out on the video there. You can hear lots of creaking, squeaking, and just very annoying, unpleasant noises from the back end on this vehicle. Most cars you get that noise coming from the front. This one is generally from the back, so we're going to have a look at that. First thing we're done is getting it jacked up, and then we're going to look at these areas, these rubber bushes. I'll have to get the wheel off to have a better look. A lot of rust on the drums. If you can see that. Got some play in the rubber bush there. What I'll do is try putting some of this white lithium grease right in there where the gap is. And then down the bottom in here. All around where it moves. I'm going to do the same on the other side. Where you got this gap here, you can, it's already damaged, so if you're going to get some grease in there, you can just move it aside so you can get the straw in there like that. See, then you're getting it right in between the bushes. So what's happening is this is moving like this as you're going over bumps. The bush is come off of the nut on there and it's just screeching around. Gone. Oh, it's lowering the jack. Now we're going to look at the front. Here we're at the front of the car. If you look down here, you got your anti-roll bar. If you follow this back, go in and have a look. Follow the anti-roll bar bush back along. In the center here, you got what are called center bushes for the anti-roll bar. As you can see there, they are dried out, cracking. So we're going to do the same again. Look for a little gap or a hole. Just get your straw in there. Just fill it right up. Then go to the passenger side and we'll do the same. We're going to take it for a drive, see if we can notice any difference. a lot more speed bumps coming. What a difference that makes. It's like 100% gone. Now, of course, for this is just a temporary fix, although it may last a lot more than temporary time. To do the job properly, you're going to need new shock absorbers. The bushes are gone, so new shock absorbers are going to come with new bushes. The front anti-roll bar links, you know, sometimes they're cheap. Well, most of the time the parts are cheap, £5 or so. The front ones, get into them, can be quite a big job to disconnect everything you steer in. Sometimes the subframe would have to be dropped to get to the bolts to remove them. But this is a nice, quick, cheap, easy fix. £5 for a can of spray, and we haven't got any more annoying noises, and the car sounds like brand new again.